Hi everyone, we're excited to share our project, a dual Java game app featuring Blackjack and Crazy Eights, developed for our CSC 110 AB course. My name is Rene Gonzalez, designer, debugger, and tech writer, and I partnered with Luis Martinez, our president, programmer, and QA lead, to bring this app to life. Collaboration was key throughout the process, as we worked together to debug, refine code, and ensure a polished end result. Luis initiated Start Menu Java, creating a full-screen launcher with seamless key and mouse navigation, a dynamic background, and immersive global audio for card flips, chip clicks, and win-loss cues. My contributions included designing the game's betting UI, programming card flip animations, developing dealer AI, implementing deal draw rules, and crafting scoring and validation. Our project centered on three goals: develop a single Java application that offers two fully functional card games, deliver an engaging user experience with smooth visuals and integrated sound effects. Our application consists of three main Java files: NITs, start, menu.java, launches the app and enables game navigation; blackjack.java, manages card logic, animations, and betting features; crazies.java, handles drawing, discarding, and scoring. To streamline the structure, we reuse components like the card and bet classes and centralize all media assets for better organization. The Start menu was designed as the entry point to our app. Users can navigate using the keyboard or mouse, and the layout includes background images and sound feedback when making a selection. This makes the interface feel polished and responsive. We developed it using Java Swing and AWT, tying in layout managers, event listeners, and simple media triggers. It sets the tone for the rest of the application while showing what's possible with basic yet effective GUI tools in Java. That is my slice of the project. I will hand things over to my partner. Take it away, Luis.
Hello. So, upon starting Start Menu.java, you have three choices: Blackjack, Crazy Eights, or Exit Game. Let's start off with Blackjack. Upon clicking that button, you will be brought to a game panel with the Blackjack game. At the bottom, there is a button panel with buttons Hit, Stay, New Game, Exit, and Back to Menu. Towards the top, you have a chip panel to select the amount that you want to bet, and then a Place Bet button to place your chosen amount. The main goal of this game is to just pull enough cards that are close to 21 without going over. The dealer will also draw cards, and whoever is closer to 21 without going over wins the game. To start, you will click New Game, place your desired bet, and make the choice to either hit or stay on your cards. Whoever is closer to 21 wins. Just careful not to lose all your money. You will most definitely be made fun of by the program. Now, for the second choice of game, we have Crazy Eights. At the bottom, there is a button panel with buttons New Game, Draw, Exit, and Back to Menu. Now, to start the game, you would press New Game, and the main goal of this game is player versus computer. You will take turns placing cards in the middle deck. The card can either be a matching suit, a matching rank, or a number 8 card. The number 8 card leaves you with the option to change the current suit for the next turn. And if you have no cards to play, you will draw up to 3 until you get a playable card. If no playable card is drawn, your turn will be skipped. If you select the card that is not a playable card, you will get a prompt stating that a current card cannot be played. If you forget any of these rules, do not worry, as there is a tab at the top of both games to view the game rules for each respective game. There is also a point system to keep track of score. The player with the highest points loses the game, and any player that reaches 100 points also loses the game. So, for GUI and UX, we have different layouts, including box layout, flow layout, and border layout. We also included custom components such as custom round chip buttons to imitate a chip and animated player cards. We also made use of many action listeners and timers, and the use of Java Sound API for each dedicated action within the game. For our last slide, we have our QR codes to reach both mine and Rene's contact info. If you wish for in-depth documentation, click this direct link button. That is it for our presentation. Thank you.